Hello you guys, what's up? It's Gamer Pro 67,
Supercell Master,
Minecraft Minions, and today we are going to be doing 21 days. By the way guys, I need to be very careful because I'm in a tree very high and I'm not holding on. I'll be back to the video in a sec. Bye. Yep, okay. 1, 2, 3.
Caleb, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8.
9, 10, 11,
12, 13, 14.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
20.
Caleb, here I got a dare from already.
Caleb has a day, guys.
Look, but it has to be in the tree. You see this gun here? No? See this gun here? Caleb here has got to shoot it at the next car to pass
Oh!
past. Yeah.
That's going with MLG. No, you won't. What the
No,
heck?
fire it near to the car, not at the car though.
Oh my god! Oh my god! What the? I'm gonna pause it.
So guys, you know the dare? It kind of went wrong. The lady looked at us angrily, and who knows, she might be coming back for us even now. Keep your stinging nettles. Okay, now. Okay, let's go. Can you hold it while cycling now? Come on, let's go.
Alright, I'll try.
You right?
Can you get down?
Side.
Pardon?
Can you get
We need
down?
to go to the other side.
Steve, do you mind staying here with Caleb?
No, she can't be on her own. Hang on, I'm gonna pause it, guys. Okay, guys, we're on the move. Let's go. Come on. Yeah? No, we'll be alright.
We never told them we're going out, did we?
Oh god. Oh god. Don't worry, we'll be alright.
We go back and tell her.
That's okay. She'll. Wait. Wait, Faith, does Mum know you're out? Okay, so she'll know we're with you.
What, she knows you're out, Faith? What, you tell her?
Where are we going now, guys?
I just got shady area.
Come on. We'll discuss our problems there.
Where's the go then, Niall? Because can't be anywhere near here. The lady comes.
Because she heard me say I need to find some. I told
I'm
Mum.
just going to quickly get in the shade, you guys.
I told Mum where some liquor.
Okay. Hang on, I'm going to pause it.
So guys,
Yep. Oh.
doing the dare didn't turn out to be a good idea. Because the lady glared at us angrily.
Yeah.
I got a feeling she's going to call the police.
No, well, there's a bit of a chance, but I don't think that's really going to
It's
happen.
vandalism, isn't it?
Because I'm not allowed to get arrested.
Well,
And I'm
pause the video.
epileptic. So, however, there is a chance we might get arrested.
No,
so
well, there's a little chance. At least we didn't pop her tyres.
she doesn't know what we look like though.
Well, that's the good thing.
Just from
right?
a distance. She saw us from a distance though. Who it is?
Oh god, guys, I think she's coming. Guys, get on the bike. Get on the bike. Get on the bike. On the bike.
I need my scooter.
Come on. Let's get the heck out of here. Come on. Let's go. Pardon?
Come on, hand it better.
I've got it.
Oh no! Record it while we're running. Come on. No, are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Let's go. Come on. So, you think you've heard the car?
We think we've heard the car coming, guys.
No. I'll keep it up front so we can all. So they can see us all. What's now?
Take.
Okay.
Simon's got the camera, guys.
So, we think we've heard the car coming back, and we're going to run now. So,
Guys,
I have to go on the pavement.
if the vlog ends,
we've been caught,
because the battery's really low,
or we've been caught.
I'll put
Okay.
a sentence at the end of the video saying the battery died, okay?
And we really hope we don't get caught, because according to what people tell me, prison's not nice. I really don't want to be caught. Okay.
Pause it, Simon.
Bye guys, see you in a minute. Still recording.